Hey, and welcome to part 2 of the Game Boy Massive Lot fix. So what we're going to be doing in this video is taking a look at all the other Game Boys we haven't yet repaired. I managed to turn this one on which had no power, but there is horizontal lines on the screen, so we're not going to be able to reuse this one. We can fix the vertical lines, but we can't fix the horizontal lines because the PCB is sort of this bit of plastic on the side and it's a real pain in the bum. So we can use this one for parts at least. I know there's one here with a broken speaker and stuff like that, but I'm pretty much just going to go through them one by one, see what we can get working and what we can't. At the moment there's a crazy dust storm going on outside, so for the most part I think I'll just speed through these repairs and just see what we get working, and we'll come back to it by the end of it. So I'm going to start on with this one. This one's got a bad screen. We'll power it on and just see what's wrong. Yeah, okay, so we got some vertical lines there, so we should actually be able to fix this one pretty easily. Basically we just put a soldering iron to this ribbon cable here, and then you just solder along there because there's solder underneath this ribbon cable that just wears out over time. So let's get started on this one, I think. Alrighty guys, so I've managed to repair what I can, and we've actually got 4 working Game Boys here. So not bad, 4 out of 8. One of them does have a horizontal line on the screen. These ones, screens are good, controls are perfect, and this one just has the issue with the horizontal line. The other ones I'm either going to keep for parts, to be honest I don't really come across these very often, or I might just sell the remaining parts. Yeah, I'm not really sure. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked the 2 parts of this video. Please like and subscribe, and check out our future content. We're constantly uploading videos on just repairs and stuff basically. Upcoming next is another Game Boy special. We've got some really cool ones, but that's a surprise for next time, so stay tuned for that. Thanks a lot guys, see you in the next one.